Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at a new project from Snowflake, which has also produced a model called as Llama 3.1 SwiftKV 8 billion instruct. Don't let this older Llama 3.1 put you off, because the real interesting bit in this project is this SwiftKV. SwiftKV series of Llama 3.1 models by Snowflake seems quite interesting because they go beyond traditional key value cache compression. They come up with this new method called as SwiftKV. So in this video, not only I'm going to explain this SwiftKV in very simple words, we are also going to install this model locally very quickly and see how it works. So first, let's try to understand what exactly this method is. They have described this method in great detail with a lot of equations and that stuff, but for us mere mortals, I'm just going to explain it in very simple words as what exactly this SwiftKV is. So it is a new way to make LLMs work more efficiently. It's designed to speed up the process of generating text, especially for tasks that involve long prompts like summaries or code generation. There are three steps to this SwiftKV. First, it skips unnecessary calculations, it reduces the amount of memory needed, and then it preserves the quality of the generated text. As a result, SwiftKV can make LLMs like Llama 3.1 work up to 2 times faster and use less memory without sacrificing quality, and that is what makes it quite special. So this method reduces computational overhead during prompt processing by combining model rewiring and knowledge preserving self-distillation that allows pre-fill tokens to skip up to half the model layers. And that is how it achieves 2 times the performance. So that is what SwiftKV is. And if you're interested in learning more about its architecture, feel free to go through the paper and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Coming back to this model, let's try to see how it works. And before that, I need to acknowledge two things. First is one of the viewer. His name is Korkor, QOR. So he has pointed me to this model, and that is why I'm covering it. So thank you very much. He is also a very regular viewer. Always ask very insightful full questions. So thank you very much. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing your name right and you know who you are. Thanks. Secondly, I want to introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Let's try to get it installed. The VM I'm going to use for this is this, as usual, Ubuntu 22.04. I have one GPU card, which is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GPU of VRAM. This is courtesy of for our good friends at Massed Compute. I will also drop the link to their website with a discount coupon of 50% for a range of GPUs. First up, let's quickly create a virtual environment with Conda, and then we will proceed with installing this model. And now let me install all the prerequisites around torch, transformers and stuff. And towards the end, you see that I am installing this VLLM, which is a very lightweight inference engine with SwiftKV. So let's wait for all of this to get installed. This is going to take a couple of minutes. And everything is installed. Let's git clone the repo of this VLLM and then let's cd into the examples. Okay, so let me go to examples here. And then examples, there should be a Swift one. It's in the examples directory. Okay, let me open it in my VS Code and I will first show you the inference example with it. So this is a simple script which they have provided in their example to run the inference with this SwiftKV 8 billion instruct model fine-tuned on Llama 3.1 with simple VLLM, and in a very specific format. We are just giving it user assistant conversational prompt, and we are simply asking it that write an essay about the importance of higher education, and then Just like we do it in VLLM, we are providing it some of the hyperparameters to control the output. You can see that the temperature is quite low. It's not as creative, which is okay. And then max token is 800. You can increase it if you like. Maybe I'll just make it 1800, or maybe I'll just make it even 400, 4800. You can increase it if you like. And then we are generating the output and printing it out. So let me take you to my terminal and we will run it. So I'm just going to give it a simple Python command that the name of the script is offline inference SwiftKV.py. Let's run it and look at the speed. How good is that? It consumes around 16 GB of VRAM locally. And if I show you the answer, you see it has very properly tackled that long prompt where it has given us the title and then the whole essay around future of higher education in shaping future societies. Like, it has started well, and then it is talking about core, and then it has very nicely divided it into nice paragraphs. And you could also see that the speed is quite fine, and in the spirit of Llama models, it has from start to end, it has described it quite well, and towards the end it is giving us the conclusion. So the major difference between this and the normal Llama is that it is 2 times faster, plus it consumes less memory. Similarly, we can also ask it to do a coding one. So for instance, if you want to do something like around Go programming, so you can just give it something like this. I will change the prompt properly. So write a Go program that acts as a simple HTTP server, and then I am asking it to tackle the routes with this Golang. I'll just remove these double quotes so that it will be inside it, and then date, time, and all that stuff. So let's see how it generates the code. Let me run it. And now let me run this one and just focus on the speed of this while it generates the code locally. There you go. So within 2 to 3 seconds it was able to produce this code. If I go up, it has created a wonderful Go program with a simple HTTP server with couple of routes, as you can see. Very nice. It's a hello world, and then it has done the proper formatting. And this is all the quality of Llama which is oozing out, but with the speed of this SwiftKV. Very well done. I think that's pretty good, not bad at all, as I would say. I will drop the link to it in video's description, and also in their respective repo and in this model card they have shared some of the evaluation results. If you're interested, some benchmarks, so go through it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.